Hey guys, it's More Magician here, and today I'm going to be doing the spell that Julia did in order to find her discipline. I know, again, I'm a bit late on these videos. There's so much going on, but I got here late. I'm still going to give you guys a video no matter what. I keep my promise, so let's go ahead and do this spell. Go first, like always, we're going to talk about history of the spell, followed by a demonstration, then a step-by-step instruction. This spell was done in season 2, episode, I want to say, what was it? I think it was episode 10, season 2, episode 10, as it was showing a different timeline that Julia's discipline through the use of, told us by Dean Fogg that her discipline was of knowledge, and that she could change the meta composition of spells, meaning she would understand the theory of the spell and then reshape it. And so we're going to go ahead and do a demonstration of the spell, okay? Okay, for the step-by-step instruction, first you want to take both your hands and place your right hand on top of your left hand flat, okay? Simple. And then you're going to slowly wrap your right hand around bring it to the front of your hand. And as you bring it straight down after being in the front, you're going to put your thumb on your index finger so that you can snap. And once you snap, and as you glide your hand down, your left hand, not your right, your left, should be tilting up. And when you snap, your left hand should be straight up in a 90-degree angle. So this, and this will give off light. It will increase all the light around you. And then followed by still holding your right hand in that snap position after you snap. You have to hold it still. It does not move. You cannot remove it, or the actual composition of the spell will be messed up. And once you do want to turn the lights back off, slowly turn the left hand down on top of it to dim it in a sense, and the light will cut off. Okay? So, let's try it together. Okay? Simple. Alright, if you guys have anything else, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.